Imagine you have built an amazing product. It works perfectly, the quality is excellent, and you truly believe people will love it. But months pass and nobody buys it. What went wrong? In many cases, the problem isn't the product itself, it's the strategy around it. In marketing, success rarely depends on just one thing. Instead, it depends on how several elements work together. This idea led to one of the most important frameworks in marketing history, known as the marketing mix. The marketing mix was introduced by marketing scholar E. Jerome McCarthy, who simplified marketing strategy into four essential elements, known as the 4 Ps: product, price, place, and promotion. The idea is simple. For a business to succeed, it must design the right product, price it correctly, distribute it in the right locations, and communicate its value effectively. If even one of these elements is weak, the entire strategy can struggle. The first element is product, which refers to what a company offers to the market. A product must solve a real problem or satisfy a specific need. Companies spend enormous resources designing products that match customer expectations. For example, Apple focuses heavily on design, simplicity, and user experience, ensuring that its products feel intuitive and premium. The product is not just the physical item, it also includes features, quality, design, packaging, and even the brand reputation attached to it. The second element is price, which determines how much customers are willing to pay. Pricing is not simply about covering costs, it also communicates the product's value. Luxury brands such as Rolex use premium pricing to signal exclusivity and prestige, while companies like Walmart use competitive pricing to attract price-sensitive customers. Pricing strategies can include discounts, subscription models, bundles, and psychological pricing techniques. The third element is place, which refers to how and where a product reaches customers. In the past, this mainly meant physical stores and distribution networks. Today, it also includes online platforms, e-commerce marketplaces, and global logistics systems. Companies like Amazon have transformed this aspect of marketing by making products available almost instantly through powerful distribution networks and fast delivery systems. The fourth element is promotion, which involves communicating the value of a product to potential customers. This includes advertising, public relations, social media campaigns, influencer marketing, and many other communication channels. Companies like Nike have mastered promotion by focusing on emotional storytelling rather than simply highlighting product features. Over time, marketers realized that the original 4 Ps did not fully capture the complexity of service-based industries. As a result, 3 additional elements were introduced, expanding the framework into the 7 Ps of marketing. These additional elements are people, process, and physical evidence. People refer to the employees and customer interactions that shape service experiences. Process refers to how services are delivered efficiently and consistently. Physical evidence refers to the environment or tangible cues that influence customer perception, such as store design, packaging, or even the appearance of a website. Together, the 4 Ps and 7 Ps provide a structured way for businesses to design effective marketing strategies. Companies that carefully balance these elements are far more likely to succeed because they ensure that the product, pricing, distribution, and communication all work toward the same goal: delivering clear value to the customer. This is the Learning Studio, and in the next episode, we will explore how businesses divide markets into different groups through a concept known as market segmentation.